Andrea Trini's kitchen. And today, you know what? I'm going to be baking up a storm in this oven. I am going to make for you the most tastiest banana bread that you've ever eaten. These bananas here are the type of bananas you would want. You know, I was planning to throw this away. You understand? I was planning really to throw it away because I buy it so long and it's just there sitting in the kitchen. But then I think, banana bread. Yes, I should make a banana bread. You understand? So I have 3 bananas. They're all quailed up, soft, discolored. Look like if it's going to be discarded, but it's not going to be discarded. It's going to be make a nice banana bread. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use for the banana bread. So to make this banana bread, all you need is some simple ingredients. Things you can find in your kitchen, things you can find in your refrigerator, things that you want to throw away. You understand? So as I said, I'm going to be using 3 bananas for this banana bread. And this is how the bananas are. Also, I am going to be using some eggs. 2 medium-sized eggs. Okay? I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. 1 stick of unsalted butter. This is like 4 ounces of butter here. 1 stick of unsalted butter. And I'm going to be using the spices I'm going to be using is some cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and it smells so good. And straight from Grenada, half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Also, I have some sugar. I have white sugar and brown sugar. I have half a cup of granulated sugar and also half a cup of brown sugar. Okay? Along with the flour, 2 cups of flour. So, I'll be back to show you how I do the mixing. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do, you know, I wash my hands already. I always emphasize on hand washing. Very important whenever you prepare any type of meal. So, you want to peel these bananas. Don't mind the discoloration that you're seeing here. You understand? Just peel it. That's 1. They'll be soft and have all kind of different colors and little spots making you feel like you want to throw it out. But don't throw it out. These are good bananas. Right? And this one really soft. Oh gosh, it's smelling really ripe and everything. So this is what's going to happen here. Alright? You want to take a knife and cut up the bananas in little pieces. So it'll be more manageable when you're squashing it up together. Take a knife and you just cut it up. Small pieces. Okay? And you take this and you sort of squash it up. That's right. See, the riper the banana is, the better it's squashed. This is good. You know, don't throw out those ripe bananas. Don't throw it out at all. To make a nice banana bread for your family on a Sunday, you sit down to watch some Netflix. Right? This is about good enough. So just scrape out all the ends here. And you're good to go. Alright. So the next thing you do is the eggs. Let me deal with the egg now. I'm going to crack the egg one at a time, okay? Crack the egg. You understand? The both of them are good eggs. Put them in here. And you whisk the eggs. Until it's light and fluffy. That's good enough. That's enough whisking. Now, put this aside. You have all these 3 items here. Okay. On board now is Mr. Silver. Mr. Silver is on board, so you're going to take the softened butter. 4 ounces of softened butter. Okay, guys? Take the same spatula, scrape it out in here. You want it to be manageable, so you're not going to use that's not soft. Look how soft and nice it is. You understand? Soft and nice, isn't it? Now, you add the white sugar until it's sort of dissolved in the butter. You don't want, when you're mixing this, you're feeling all the granules. You want to feel the texture of the butter. Right? This is how I do it. Mixing the butter and the sugar. Now you add a little bit of egg. You don't put all the egg one time. You add a little bit of sugar. The brown sugar. You can put all the brown sugar. Half a cup, okay? So all the sugars combine in here with the butter. And you put the remaining egg. This is a very, very simple recipe. As I said, you could find all these little ingredients in your kitchen. Go in your cupboard and just pull out some spices and go in the refrigerator, get yourself some butter and make a whip up a nice banana bread. You understand, folks? So you're combining the granulated sugar and the brown sugar together. Alright, put that aside. The next thing you do, you want to incorporate the dry ingredients with the flour. The baking powder, the baking soda, you put in the salt, you even put in the spices. You put in the spices. Let me see if I see something inside here. And you toss it around a little bit. Simple, simple, simple. This is not a hard recipe. So while I'm doing this, I'll come back to this. I'm going to set the stove. I'm going to set the oven at 350 degrees. Okay? 350 degrees. Right? And let's go back to the mixing. Right. So I'm going to use this size of pan, a 5x9. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to butter it. Use any butter that you have in the refrigerator. You could use some oil spray. Take a little butter. Take your hands and butter. Make sure you get all the sides. Butter it nicely, you understand? And this is a non-stick pan. And then you take a little flour. And you dust a little flour. You don't want to put too much of flour in it, right? And you tap the sides of the pan. So it will be well coated on each side. You tap it. And the little remaining, just dab it out like that. So this is how it's supposed to look. Okay? Alright, so while that is heating up, let's go back over there and see about that mixture. Alright, so you keep on squashing again. These are 3 bananas here. So I'm going to give you the exact amount of bananas that is in that dish there. Alright, let's see how much it has. Let's see how much it has. Alright, let me see. It's just about a cup and a quarter. Right? It's about a cup and a quarter of banana, squashed banana. So what I'm going to do, add the vanilla essence to the mixture. Keep on mixing. The oven is being preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put in the bananas, all of it, and keep mixing. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really, really good. Very, very nourishing. You don't need to go and buy, box cake and make no box cake for your family when you can make the real deal. Put some flour. You don't put all the flour one time, and you continue mixing. Now you don't want to over mix this, right? You keep on mixing. Now you realize I did not put any milk in this. I just don't need any milk in it. See the consistency? Look at it. You add the rest of flour. Add the rest of flour and you keep on mixing. Banana bread coming from Andrea Trini's Kitchen. And for those of you who have now tuned into my channel, welcome aboard to Andrea Trini's Kitchen, where Andrea brings loads of delicious recipes from the Caribbean, especially from Trinidad and Tobago, to your home. Right? If you like this recipe, if it came out nice and you like it, give me the thumbs up. Right? Give me the thumbs up and hit that notification bell that you see there, so that any new video that your girl Andrea put up, you'll be able to view. Right. This is the texture I like this batter to be. You understand? So I'm going to pour it inside this pan now. Pour it in a greased floured pan, a 5x9. It's going to make just one bread. Make sure you get all the mixture. Smell that banana. Awesome smell. Really awesome smell. To get all of it. Try to get every nick and cranny of it. Okay? And you kind of smoothen it out. You kind of smoothen it out inside the pan. See, it's like, wow. Take a little butter knife. And scrape it out. Okay? See how it looks? Now you're going to stick it in the oven. You see it's 350 degrees? That's the temperature I want it to be. Alright? And I'm going to stick it in the oven for about 60 to 65 minutes. And I'll be back with a completed product. Okay, the banana bread is finished. You know, it has been baking. It has baked, in fact, for 60 minutes. I took it out from the oven and cooled it off for like about 12 minutes. So let's see what's going on with this banana bread. Look how nice it looks on the outside. Ah, wow. Look how spongy it is on the outside. Really, really lovely. So this is the end product of my banana bread. And I'm going to cut into it to see the texture of the inside. Okay? Wow. Wow, look at the texture of this banana bread. Let me cut a couple slices. It smells so good. The whole kitchen is smelling of all that spices. Look at that. So guys, this is how your banana bread is supposed to actually look. You understand? This is how it's supposed to look. Alright, so it came out nice to my satisfaction. It is firm and nice. Alright, it is not hard. Good texture, bouncy and everything like that. And all the ingredients are all combined. So this, my dear friends, is the end product of Andrea's banana bread. So I'll see you again with another great video.